Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 game crashing, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen, not working, or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing what you have to do is to clear cache of the game. So for that you have to go to settings. After that click on general, go to the iPhone storage and then select your game and then click on offload app and then click on offload. So after offloading or clearing the cache of the game, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, go back. Now check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the app store and here in the search option you have to search for eFootball and then check if any app update is available over here. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, you should check if your internet connection is stable or not. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data or do vice versa and then check. Even you can enable airplane mode for some time, again disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, you should install a VPN app to access the game. So for that, go to the app store and the search option, search for VPN. Lots of VPN apps will be available over here. Install any one of it. After installing it, log in to the VPN app, change the location, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If it doesn't work, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the settings. After that, click on general, then click on software update, and here you will find if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to check if the game is launching or working or not. Next is to check if there is less storage space. So if there is less storage space on your phone, then also you cannot play the game and it will make you suffer. So you have to check, and if there is less space on your phone, you have to delete it. For that, go to settings. After that, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and here you can see the storage space. If there is less space, delete some unused apps or data, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. After doing all the methods, you are suggested to restart your device once. So for that, go to settings. After that, go click on general, go below, click on shutdown option, and this will shut down your phone. And once your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on remove app, then click on delete app, and again click on delete. So this will delete your game from your iPhone. After that, you have to go to the app store once again, and here you have to search for eFootball and again install, and again install eFootball once again, and after that try to check if the game is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.